Hello friends, my name is Vinod Kumar Agarwal, faculty for CA Final Financial Reporting. I have got rank in CA Final, CA Intermediate and CA Foundation. I am also a certified public accountant of USA. We have recorded CA Final FR video lecture in detail. We have covered every topic including theory topic in the class. We have covered questions from study material, RTP, MTP, past exams. The solutions are covered in detail in the class so that the student will get lot of practice and he can appear in the exam. We are going to provide you 3 modules. You can see these are very comprehensive modules covering each and every aspect of your syllabus. Module 1, this is module 2, this is module 3 now, very comprehensive module covering topics like financial instrument, consolidation, business combination, PP in detail. And we have also prepared ourselves this FRMCQ book which is very useful for your exam, and we have also prepared this FR summary chart book. This covers the entire syllabus in just few pages. One day before the exam you can revise this entire FR syllabus. So dear friends, go to our website vinod.in and place your order for CA Final FR video lectures. Thank you very much.